Moscow. For years Paulo Dybala has been touted as Lionel Messi's successor in the Argentina team. Yet it seems his chance to feature regularly for the team wouldn't come until Messi keeps playing and performing. But what if Messi is misfiring? Even then, it appears not if Messi is still on the pitch. In their opening World Cup match, Argentina and Iceland were level at 1-1 with Messi having a torrid time trying to get past the opposition. He had already missed a penalty when with 15 minutes to go, and Argentina desperately chasing the winner. Coach Jorge Sampaoli threw on Christian Pavón as a replacement for an ineffective Angel Di Maria. With Dybala on the bench, it seemed a strange choice. A common notion among a section of the Argentine press is that Sampaoli sees Dybala only as a substitute for Messi. Sampaoli still had one substitution left after that. But it would have required a lot of courage, a lot of heart to take off Messi. With 6 minutes to go, and Argentina still in need of that moment of inspiration, Sampaoli sent on Dybala's Juventus teammate Gonzalo Higuain. It left Dybala still waiting for his World Cup debut. The way things have transpired, it would require an even bolder call from Sampaoli to change. There remains fear of a massive backlash if that alteration doesn't work. How can you bench the player who has been the icon for this current generation of Argentinian players? There could, however, be an even bigger backlash if Dybala remains on the bench and Argentina are unable to get a result against Croatia in Nizhny Novgorod on Thursday. After the Iceland draw, one Argentine journalist made a sensational claim that it was Messi who doesn't want Dybala to play in the fear of being usurped by his 24-year-old compatriot. Dybala, however, remains optimistic that his time will come. "I know that I'll get a chance to play," he said at a news conference on Tuesday in Bronity, on the outskirts of Moscow. It was strange that Argentina put Dybala before the press. He was asked all sorts of questions: his relationship with Messi, with Sampaoli, and his World Cup dreams. "Messi has no substitute here or in Barcelona or in any team in the world," said Dybala. "I'm the first one who thinks we can play together even if we play in similar positions. I don't know if there is a way we can play together. The only way is to train together, to know each other more." In the last 2 training sessions, Dybala and Messi were training separately. Dybala with the substitutes and Messi with Argentina's starting 11. "I practice as if I'm one of the starters," said Dybala. "If I get annoyed because I'm not in the headlines and don't do well in training, I won't do well if I have to go in. I've to be prepared because the World Cup isn't easy. I'm not going to lower my arms. I'm fulfilling the dream of my life." The underlying problem for Argentina against Iceland was lack of control in midfield. Javier Mascherano and Lucas Biglia couldn't match Iceland's tempo, there was no penetration. Messi kept coming back to get the ball and Dybala offered a solution: he's ready to be the playmaker. "I'm ready to play anywhere in the attacking half," he said. He didn't hide, however, what he dreams of. "I'm a forward and I dream of a goal in the World Cup, pushing it, kicking it from outside the box, wherever. I dream of scoring at a World Cup. Messi's dream is to win the World Cup." The look on his face over the last 2 days seems he's worried that his dream is slipping away. He turns 31 this weekend, and Russia realistically represents his last chance to lift the biggest title in world football. For that, Argentina need to win against Croatia. "It is a crucial match for us," Argentina defender Gabriel Mercado said at a news conference on Monday. Croatia already have 3 points with the victory against Nigeria, so to surpass them, it is fundamental that we beat them. The draw with Iceland has forced a rethink in the Argentinian camp. Sampaoli tried experimenting with a 3-man defense in training on Monday. There has also been an indication that Pavan could start in place of Angel Di Maria. That would keep Dybala waiting for his World Cup debut. But if the tact fails against Croatia, Sampaoli, who had indicated before the Iceland game that Messi and Dybala would play together at some point during the tournament, could be forced to throw on the Juventus star. That would be his chance to fulfill his World Cup dream. Published in Dawn, June 21, 2018.